What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have another amazing HomeGoods haul for you. I found some really good stuff as you guys have been seeing me posted on Instagram, so I wanted to do a nice culmination for you guys so you could shop in store with me as well as see some of the smaller items I've been finding in store as well. So if you are interested in seeing this HomeGoods shop with me and haul, then just keep watching. All right, guys, we are first going to start out with this sugar and milk bowl right here. I absolutely love this set because it has little honeycomb details on it. I found it from HomeGoods. If you caught it in the footage, it was only like $5.99 or $6.99. I love that it is a matte black. I did put my Hearth and Hand appetizer spoons in here. I love using those for my coffee stirrers. I will also link this below for you. I have been looking everywhere for a good mug treat, and I finally found one. So if you are interested or you love a good coffee bar, a good coffee area, I spent a lot of time curating this and making it look the way that it is now. I will also link below for you these lights that I've gotten some questions on as well. Super nice from Amazon. They're magnetized, they charge, they're LED, really nice. They're sensor, so every time, you know, the sensor goes off, motion detected. I just love them for this area. So if you love a good coffee bar, like I said, if you want a good sugar and creamer bowl, milk bowl, whatever you use it for, that's super inexpensive, gives you a nice chic, elevated black and white vibe, and I am obsessed. Sticking with the kitchen theme, I wanted to take a second to talk about these. I am obsessed. This is like the second or third set that I have gotten. These are the most chic, beautiful, high-end looking glasses from HomeGoods. I also got the smaller size. Not that I use them a lot, but I absolutely love them. I love the shape. I love the thickness of them. I love that they look super high-end, and they were literally for a box of 6. They come in sets of 6. They're like $6 or $7, maybe $9 at the most. Very, very affordable, very high-end looking. I literally like, look how many I have. That whole shelf is nothing but, if you like something nice and high-end for every day, something not so casual but more on the chic, like cocktail looking side, I would definitely keep your eye out for these. If you do not find them at HomeGoods, I will link them below for you. They are also available on Amazon. I think they're a little bit more expensive, of course, but very, very nice and worth the money, because you get is it 6 or 8? No, it's 6. It's 6. So you get 6 per set. So literally 2 sets and you're good to go. You don't need to be extreme like me. So I love them. They're amazing, and I've seen them at several HomeGoods. I've checked this past couple weeks, and a lot of them do have them in stock. Now, this next item was a complete random find, but I love it. Found it at HomeGoods. It's a swiveling, super modern bust. It's this high gloss white color, and it comes with a clear, very modern base. It was $39.99. I am not sure where I'm going to put her or him, but super beautiful, super chic, and super duper modern. So if you love bust, but you want a more modern version, this is definitely something I would keep my eye out for. It's from A&B Home. And again, very affordable. Love the clear base, and love the fact that it's super white and glossy. Moving on to this beautiful console that I just shared with you guys on my Instagram. I did find this really nice set. I have been seeing these so many places, and I actually have had that issue. I think it was on TikTok that I saw a video about the importance of wick cutting, because if you don't cut the wicks, that the candle, depending on the type, it can almost be like combustible, and I've had that happen. Almost literally lit my house on fire, left it burning. The flame was literally at least a foot above the candle. So yes, it is extremely important to get a nice pair of wick cutters, but you know, quality about these, I'm not sure. I just love that they're matte and black. So found these at HomeGoods. This is also to put the candle out, which I think is really nice. So if you don't want to blow and get all of the soot everywhere in the candle, this is really nice. Again, the 2-piece set was, I think, about $9, very affordable. Put this on my Alexander McQueen book. I'm obsessed with this. This is by far my most favorite coffee table book ever of life. So if you're looking for a good high-end coffee table book that's going to be visually seen from every area of your house, I would definitely recommend it. I definitely love this candle holder as well. I know that it's probably sold out at this point from World Market, but I do love it. So this is my little setup I've got going on here with this candle, and this set is amazing. I found it near the checkout area, so don't forget to look in that area as you are leaving, because that's where this was at. All right, this next guy I have talked about a little bit, I feel like everywhere, but it truly is one of my most favorite masterpieces I put together. You guys, this was a, I would say, 6-foot regular standard olive tree in the most heinous basket you've ever seen in your life, and I put it in this beautiful planter from At Home, put some moss on top of it, did a whole DIY video on that. If you don't know about it, check it out on my channel. And this has become such a nice piece. Like, look how substantial and tall this is. Also, look at the fact that these stems are amazing on this tree. There are multiples, they are woven. It's just magnificent. I am so glad I did not spend the $400 on the one from Crate & Barrel, because after doing this, I love it. I love every single thing about it. Now, I would say it's a good, like, 7 to 7.5 foot tree, because my Christmas tree was 7. I'd say it's more like 7.5 foot. It is really big and really substantial. So again, if you can find a good base of an olive tree, and by that I just mean the branches and the stems, don't worry about the base. You can change the base later. This is a perfect example of that. Was the base expensive? Yes. Did it make it look like it was from Restoration Hardware and totally worth it? In my opinion, yes. So just get a good tree. I have seen these at so many different HomeGoods, so go to your local HomeGoods, look for it. There are some from Macy's, there are some from Amazon, so you don't have to have anything crazy, but just get a good base. Look at my DIY video, do the moss, it's super affordable, and get a good planter. Invest in the planter just as much as you would the tree, because that is what you look at. I would also say that make sure you're following scale. So Don't get a planter that is, you know, $20 because then it's not gonna look proportioned. So scale is really key. Unlike this is not scale. This needs to be a lot bigger because this wall is huge, but this is definitely, I think, in proportion. I think the scale on this is great. I think the height is great, the width is great. You know, I love everything about it. I wish I could say the same for this, but you know, it's a work in progress. So we're getting there. But I do love the way that it turned out, you guys. I think that trees are something you should definitely do a little bit of investing in, but you don't need to spend $400 to make it look very nice and high end. Again, don't forget to check out that video. I take you to at home. I show you the exact base that I got. They have different bases if you're not into this one, and go to your local Homegoods, check out this tree. It is phenomenal. If you see an ugly wicker basket that's gray and you see an olive tree, that's it. You found it, girl. All right, super quickly, I just wanted to show you this really cute House of Cash book that I got. It is a coffee table book. It was super inexpensive. I think it was around $24. These are free Restoration Hardware magazines. I was just trying to get some more like black and gray going on here. This project, I don't know why it is so hard for me. I guess because I'm concentrated on so many other things, but I'm trying to get this bookshelf done. These two shelves still need to be rehabbed, but the rest of it I'm okay with. But I definitely did want another black book here because I really feel like coffee table books make a huge difference. I mean, if you have a bunch of, you know, random colored books, like for example, these, it's just, I mean, not that they have stains or anything, but just the color wise, it's not going to make that pop. But when you have the, you know, the same color theme going, it really does make a big difference. So coffee table books, you know, I've had some, you know, rather unwarranted comments about coffee table books that they're meant to be read, you know. Yes, in a perfect world, they are, but they're not fictional, non-fictional books. These are coffee table books. They are for decor. Some of the ones I have are straight up blank. So, you know, yeah, in a perfect world, should you be reading them and getting design inspiration? Yes, but not everyone feels that way. That's why some of them are blank. So if you can find some that are super inexpensive, I say go for it because they're beautiful. This one I love. It's simplicity in the black and white color. And then these are free. You know, if you go to the Restoration Hardware outlet, to the store and grab these on your way out, you know, there's a nice financially responsible way to get a coffee table book look. So this is, like I said, still a work in progress. Just wanted to show you we are making a little bit of progress. We've got the boxes down there. We've got a new coffee table book. We're working our way up and we are going slowly but surely. Okay, the next item I'm going to talk about is this phenomenal white vase from Homegoods. It is so nice and high-end looking, you guys. I absolutely love the texture with the textured white vase. As you can see here, it does have a lot of texture on it, but I love the two textures. You know, there's nothing better, I say this all the time, than textures, and having this nice greenery going on. You know, it says it's an olive tree. I guess I should cut this off, but it doesn't really have any olives on it. It's just kind of like the bush part, but having the texture of the grass inside, having the texture of this beautiful base, and then having this texture on top of the white plaster, I just think is beautiful, and it adds nice dimension to this area right here, which we are still working on. However, the vase is amazing. I can't believe I found something like that. It looks very unique and high-end in Homegoods. It was 39 bucks, a little bit on the expensive side for something smaller, but I love it. So here we are. This is our nice work in progress. If you were curious about these are the Studio McGee. I'm crazy because I probably am trying to justify the fact that I got up at 5 in the morning. So I purchased multiples of them. So this is the second one. This is the same one I have in my kitchen that my utensils are in. And then this is the bigger mama size. So I just threw them down here. I'm just trying to play and decide if I want to get some stools over there to kind of equal this monstrosity of a wall out, or if I want to get the other one from City Furniture and just call it a day. I don't know. You know, we'll figure it out. So here we are, but I love that vase. Check your local HomeGoods if you are looking for that bad boy. And last but certainly not least, we are not judging the lack of groceries we have in here. We are talking about these bins right here. And you guys, I have been obsessed with getting these because I was trying to look for a different way to organize my fridge. And I started out with these, I would say, I don't know, several months ago, because I really wanted a way to organize it, and I got this set from Costco, which I loved, and these are great for drinks, but I wanted to get something more. So I found these at HomeGoods and I got a ton of them. These ones right here are actual like little, not drawers, but they have the lip on the outside of a drawer, which I store some stuff in because this is a really shallow area right here. And then I actually got some and put them in here, which was nice because I can move them back, put stuff in here, you know, when it's super full. And the same thing down here. I just have some of my fruit in there that I juice with, some lettuce, vegetables, and it just makes everything so much easier to me when you're trying to access things because they're not just, I don't know, spread all over the area. So I really like it. They're super inexpensive. These were like between, I think, $5 and $6. I didn't see any sets, so they're definitely something you're gonna have to get separate. But it did allow me to leave this area open, so when I have my water and my big jugs of water that I put in my Keurig and pizza boxes and other items that are big, all of the other items have their place. So I will link what I can below for you guys, especially these sizes, because if you have the similar style of fridge and freezer that I do, then I definitely would recommend, because 2 of them fit perfectly, as you can see, in that area, as well as down in that cubby drawer. Alright, you guys, that completes this HomeGoods shop with me and haul. I hope you guys enjoyed everything in the video. As always, I will link below what I can. Please drop me a comment and let me know if these were some items you found as well. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.